Hello my friends, it's me Kat, and today I thought, because I'm not able to visit with you by live chat today, that I would read you some comments from the Patreon channel. If you're not a patron yet, I do suggest that you go over to patreon.com, Patreon, and sign up. You can use the link below. You can go to patreon.com, or you can put the app on your phone, Patreon, and you will become a patron, one of my Force of 1,000. Now, I put out a video yesterday called The Joys of Downsizing, and I just thought it'd be fun to read you the comments that I got on the joys of downsizing. The first one is from Belinda. She said, I have way too many cushions. They don't even match the furniture. Out they go. My husband was in cleaning for over 40 years, and he can't bear to get rid of towels and rags. I will have to sneak those out a little at a time. He loves pillows too. Another thing I have to sneak out of the house. I know I'm supposed to be the alpha, but honestly, he freaks out. Please tell me what you think of my plan. Well, Belinda, I think that's an awesome plan. A little at a time. He probably won't notice. Or if it's something that you really think that he will notice, then I would have a conversation with him about it. All right, the next comment was Lauren in Scottsdale. She says, I was the rag keeper in my house, and then we started a business that used microfiber towels, automotive. A pack of microfiber towels are $15 at Costco, and they need to be replaced every few months in business. I came to accept that rags have a life cycle. I love that. And that the end use is probably going to be cleaning up a spill like motor oil or after a sick pet. And then it goes in the trash and I get a nicer one to replace it. Something much nicer too about cleaning with rags that have life left in them. I love that comment, Lauren. Grandmommy says, Grandmommy Winder, I have really been trying to downsize and find it does make things not only look better, but it makes things feel so good and makes housework easier. It's funny how much easier it gets the more you do, even becomes almost like a game. Lots of places around here love donations, and a few will even stop and pick up. Also, I'm setting aside some things all packed up and labeled for a garage sale my granddaughter is going to have. She will get the proceeds for taking them off my hands. I love that comment, Grandmommy. Another one is from Lauren in Scottsdale, so she's given me two comments on this one. And she says, this video was made exactly for me. I just emptied a small media cabinet of VHS and DVDs into the giveaway box. Don't even own a VHS or DVD player anymore. The notion of a carefully curated house was very foreign to me. I suppose I grew up with the expectation that you take whatever your family gives you, furnishing-wise, and you keep the other stuff for another day. Can you send a package in that box? Save the bag? It has been an interesting journey to let go of the many things and live the way I actually want to. I got rid of the oven, range top, and full-size refrigerator in order to get a kitchen layout that really looks good in my house. That's weird, I know, but I'm not a chef and I like eating fresh food that takes minimal prep and cook time. As Kat says, I didn't use it for a year, so I got rid of it. Now, Lauren did the extreme, but you know what? It works for her. And that's the whole point of this system, is that it works for you no matter what that work is. In general, everything applies. So I'm so glad that these guys had these great comments about the joys of downsizing, and I got loads of likes on it, and I know that if you come over, you'll like it too. I also just put out a video today, or actually recorded it today. It'll be out tomorrow, so if you're a brand new patron, you'll be able to see it, along with all the videos I've ever made. And if you're an existing patron, look for it. It is the 3 C's, clutter check, and in there I did an impromptu tour of the Henny Bee, the home that I live in, the RV. Totally was not thinking I was going to do that. I usually just do these little headshots, but I got inspired and I showed my little clutter and the inside of my home. So you might be interested in seeing that. I hope you are. Come on over. It's only $5 for a whole month. And if you stay with me, you'll be a force of 1,000. And that is really something to think about, because you will actually be improving someone else's life by sharing with them what you learn over time. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Bye.